Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your internship opportunities with Intern Abroad, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current internship situation. Reflect on your experiences and identify what hasn't met your expectations. Research various internship opportunities available through Intern Abroad. Visit the Intern Abroad website to explore their offerings. Create a personal account on their platform. Fill out your profile thoroughly, highlighting your skills and interests. Upload an updated resume to make a strong first impression. Browse through the available internship listings that match your field of study. Use filters to narrow down options based on location, duration, and field. Add internships of interest to your favorites for easy access. Reach out to current or former interns for insights about their experiences. Prepare a tailored cover letter for each internship application. Customize your resume to align with the requirements of each position. Submit your applications through the platform. Keep track of deadlines and application responses. Follow up with employers if you haven't received a response after a couple of weeks. Stay organized by maintaining a spreadsheet of your applications and their statuses. Consider expanding your search to include remote internships if applicable. Use social media to network with professionals in your desired field. Attend any webinars or informational sessions offered by Intern Abroad. Be open to feedback and continually adjust your approach as needed. Finally, remain persistent and patient throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.